Welcome to the Alex and Aliza Show. I'm the truth. Alex and Aliza are busy today, so I had to take over. And what I was saying, let's do the auto brushes. Ding, 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 ding. And Alex and Aliza got to the video while they were busy. And thanks to my friend the Easter Bunny, boing, boing, they got these toothbrushes for Easter for them. Now, let's pop in the video in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Alex and Aliza Show. Today we're gonna be brushing our teeth with these. So, here is mine. Alex have to take this one, and here's Alex's.
Can I pick my toothbrush?
First, we gotta clean it.
Do you know what the word consent means?
First, let's clean it, guys. Watch me. If you have one of these, I'm sure you know how to use it.
It's like this. Put your fingers in it and it'll clean it.
Yeah. Just like me and Alex will do.
Be quiet. I don't know how I got myself into this mess.
Dry it?
You'll dry it.
Yeah. Technical difficulties. And then, just put on the toothpaste. You have these toothpaste? Alex, stop! Stop! Alex gonna do it.
But I already have my toothbrush. Womp womp. Give it.
Give it to me.
Give it. This is every day now.
You guys can both do it.
Alex does it first.
But I can't.
Stop smiling like that. If you drop it like that, it's okay.
Wash it again.
Yeah. That's why if you always drop stuff, that's when you need to go to your mouth. Just always wash it. Look at this brush.
This is Eliza's part to review. Next is my part.
Whoa, show it to the camera.
No. Now move into the frame.
I didn't know how to use it. This don't want me. If you do like me, it's okay. You can ask a grown-up to help you. Dad, can you help? Don't worry after that. I did not have to put on the toothpaste on this. Whoa.
A normal toothbrush is most likely better getting small bits of plaque out of your mouth when daffling. So use it after this.
The dentist says we have to use the other toothbrush for 4 ton.
Do you mean gums?
Yeah, 4 gum. Bro, why is something on my throat?
I'm just getting mouthwash. What do you mean?
Okay. Now, you get a dry towel. That can help me find one. Thanks, little. Oh, mine is clean. Now, let's put on the choice. It's flashing and that means it's charging.
Hey.
Now, Alex, stop. So, bye for today. So, have a nice day. I hope you know how to use these.
Burning
brushes.
spice, more like burning lice.
Burning, no, like the ending.
Burning
Bye.
spice, more like burning lice. I'm sorry.
Okay, we're back from the video. You saw in the video that they had a chat with their dentist and their hygienist that they said it's good for your fine motor skills and routine. Dentist warnings. Jones and they're not good for your joints and gums. But you still have to use your normal toothbrush after. Ding ding ding. And did you know that you could take off the heads? If you knew that, hit the subscribe. Now here's back home. To go. You can also play with it. So like, oh, yeah, to go. And any different type of brushes and change it. So let me put it back on. Now, bye. Thanks to my friend Alex, which is in bed. He fixed my wand. And thanks to him, when he uses a tooth, I'm gonna give him $1,000. So like, he fixed my wand. It was broken for a long time. And bye. Bippity boppity boo. I cast a great spell on you. Bye.